Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to find tax delinquency properties in Propstream. So to get started with a quick and a straightforward guide, so the first thing to do is to log into your Propstream account using your account credentials. Then from there, in the search bar, type a city or country, even the zip code to hit the enter. Then after that, click the filter button near the top left of the screen. Then scroll down to the quick list, choose the section, then from the drop down select tax delinquency, then add more filters like owner occupied, which is no properties type or inequity percent to narrow your list. Then from there click apply filter. Then you will now see all tax delinquent and the properties in your chosen area. Then from there click your properties to view details or select export the list from the outreach or the skip it tracing, and that's it.